Atharvaveda Aranyaka, Unveiling Mystical Wisdom and Practical Insight. Abstract. The Atharvaveda Aranyaka, a bridge between the ritualistic practices of the Atharvaveda and the philosophical inquiries of the Upanishads, offers a unique blend of mysticism and practical wisdom. This article delves into the distinctive attributes, themes, structure, and contributions of the Atharvaveda Aranyaka. By exploring these texts, we unearth the hidden layers of healing, metaphysical insight, and spiritual reflection that enrich the Vedic tradition. Introduction. The Atharvaveda Aranyaka, a component of Vedic literature, occupies a crucial position as a link between external rituals and profound introspection. The term Aranyaka signifies a text that is contemplated upon in solitude, often within forest settings. These texts provide a fascinating intersection between the pragmatic concerns of the Atharvaveda and the spiritual contemplation that would later find expression in the Upanishads. Distinct characteristics. The Atharvaveda Aranyaka texts stand out for their dual emphasis on practical healing and metaphysical insights. Unlike the other Aranyakas, the Atharvaveda Aranyaka preserves aspects of folk traditions, magical practices, and medicinal remedies, alongside deeper philosophical reflections. Prominent among these texts is the Atharvagirsa Aranyaka. Themes and structure. The central theme of the Atharvaveda Aranyaka is the interplay between practical concerns and metaphysical understanding. These texts provide insights into rituals for healing, protection, and well-being. At the same time, they explore the symbolism and cosmic significance of the Atharvavedic hymns. The structure often weaves together rituals and contemplative reflections. Healing and mysticism. One of the unique features of the Atharvaveda Aranyaka is its focus on healing practices. These texts offer rituals, charms, and incantations for various life situations, including physical ailments and challenges. The intermingling of these practical remedies with metaphysical insights reflects the holistic approach of the Vedic tradition. Metaphysical reflection and spiritual insight. Amidst the practical concerns, the Atharvaveda Aranyaka texts provide glimpses of metaphysical insight. They hint at the interconnectedness of the material and spiritual realms, guiding seekers toward deeper contemplation and self-realization. These texts serve as an introduction to the profound philosophical inquiries that would later manifest in the Upanishads. Contributions and legacy. The Atharvaveda Aranyaka texts offer a unique perspective by intertwining the practical and the mystical. They emphasize the integration of healing and well-being with a deeper understanding of the cosmic order. These texts contribute to the diverse tapestry of Vedic thought and serve as a foundation for later developments in Ayurveda and spiritual philosophy. Relevance today. In an era where holistic well-being and spiritual introspection are highly valued, the Atharvaveda Aranyaka resonates. Its blending of practical remedies with metaphysical insights offers insights that align with modern efforts to balance the material and spiritual aspects of life. Conclusion. The Atharvaveda Aranyaka occupies a unique position within the Vedic tradition, offering a glimpse into the synthesis of healing practices and spiritual contemplation. Through its practical wisdom, mystical reflections, and the interplay of material and metaphysical dimensions, these texts provide a multifaceted understanding of the ancient wisdom that recognized the interconnectedness of healing, consciousness, and cosmic harmony. They stand as a testament to the holistic approach that characterized the Vedic tradition.